Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to work with QuickBooks Online step by step. Start by signing in and creating your company profile, then verify your email to secure access. Next, connect bank and credit card accounts to pull transactions automatically and categorize a few entries to train rules. Finally, set fiscal year preferences and enable necessary features like invoices, sales tax, and user permissions to streamline daily bookkeeping. Invoicing in QuickBooks Online is straightforward and surprisingly fast once you know the steps. Create a new invoice, add products or services, set terms, and attach your logo for a consistent look. Turn on recurring invoices for ongoing clients so you reduce manual work and enable online payments to accept cards or bank transfers. Make sure to record deposits and send reminders automatically so cash flow stays predictable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice controls to your workspace, and it's handy for hands-free timers when batching bookkeeping tasks. It brightens a desk and keeps you on schedule, which pairs nicely with QuickBooks workflows. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Connect your bank feeds and use bank rules to automate categorization of repeat transactions, making bookkeeping faster and less error-prone. Regularly review and match downloaded transactions to existing records, create new entries when necessary, and clear duplicates. At month-end, reconcile your accounts to ensure QuickBooks balances align with your bank statements. This catches mistakes and prevents surprises, keeping your books accurate and ready for taxes or financial review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.